Introducing the 2008 Nissan Altima. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.